So in review, the three questions are: which way, how low, what's next? Direct Zavki, cleared for the approach. We've got the approach armed. We're level at 3. Here comes the glide path. We're making the turn.
We have to descend to Zavki too.
Inside of Zavki, we're down to
20.
21, so yes. 21. Very quick now. No slow, quick. VS, flick, flick. VS, no, VS. Flick, flick. 1,000 feet a minute, 1,200 feet a minute. Right away, no delay. Right away. Yes. Yes. It looks to me like we're high, so give it a minute. Give it a minute. Yeah, we're a little slow getting to the right altitude, so we're slightly above glide path. So go ahead with gear and flaps and power it right away. No delay. Come over here and get flaps. Yeah, and power to 20 inches. Holding your hand on the gear doesn't do anything. Careful covering that button there. Don't cover that button. 20 inches will get you 120 knots. Airport's in sight. Runway's in sight. Nicely done. Keep what you got. All right, we're flying this to...
Number 350, Juliet, contact tower 118.75. Good morning.
117, number 350, Juliet. Thank you.
118.75.
1875, so long.
1875, so long.
Nice.
Tower is November 350, Juliet.
November 350, Juliet, thanks for tower. Clear to land, runway 07, wind calm.
Clear to land, will calm, number 3500.
No, you're good. You're good.
Okay.
Relax. Leave that alone. You're fine. You're right on speed.
I put neutral.
I wouldn't fiddle. I really wouldn't. Not one bit. You're well within standards. Which way? How low? What's next? Straight ahead. Minimums. Which are you going to use?
610.
610?
Yeah.
Right, Garmin displays this as L/VNAV. Just so you know, that's this one here. Yep, okay. Hey, Montego Bay. When you're ready for slower, you know what to do.
Yeah. Check up flaps 2.
Autopilot off if you're going to add flaps. That's an additional commitment to landing. Double tap, please. Double tap. Double tap. Yeah. And now you got 20 flaps. Runway appears clear. We have a clearance to land. Landing light is on. Recommend we continue. I feel you pushing and holding rudder. You should just be making small turns, wings level, to stay going toward the runway. I feel you holding left rudder. So just let go of the rudders and use heading to steer you to the runway. If you need a turn to stay on the heading, to stay on the runway, do that. A coordinated half standard rate turn. That's enough. You're there.
I have the runway my left.
No, you're right on the center line. Add flaps. And push. Yep. And now put your hand on the power, because the next thing you need is 90 over the numbers, and you're a skosh fast. When the power's at idle and you're committed to land, move your hand. Good. Run that trim. Nice. Looking downfield. Nice. Right there. Okay, just about 18 inches left of the center line. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.